In this video, I will show you how to apply for a Canada Business Visa. If you're planning to visit Canada for business purposes, you need to apply for this visa. It's designed for people who want to explore business opportunities, invest, attend meetings, or receive training, but not to work for a Canadian company. As a business visitor, you can do things like buy or sell goods and services, attend conferences or trade fairs, give after sales service, or get trained by a Canadian company. The Canada Business Visa is a temporary visa, which means you can stay in the country for up to 6 months. You're not allowed to work for any company in Canada, but you can attend meetings, provide or receive training, and sign business agreements. To be eligible, you must have a valid passport for at least 6 months, have no criminal or immigration related convictions, show that you'll return to your home country after your visit, and prove that you have enough money for your stay. You also need to clearly explain the purpose of your visit and provide proof that you're doing legitimate business in Canada, like an invitation letter or proof of partnership. Now, let's go through the steps to apply. First, make sure you meet the eligibility requirements for the Canada Business Visa. Next, gather all your supporting documents, including your passport, invitation letter, proof of business activities, and financial documents. Then, go to the official Canadian immigration website at Canada Card and submit your visa application online. After submitting, pay the visa fee of CAD 100 and, if required, the biometric fee of CAD 85. Once approved, you'll need to send your passport for visa stamping, which costs around CAD 45. That's it. Once your passport is returned, you're ready to travel to Canada for business purposes. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to How to Tutors.